Align one ray with 0.
Welcome to Protractor Ridge. Today, watch the scene carefully. If you follow Frost, the snow leopard, as she pads across these ledges, you'll see numbers and symbols carved naturally into the stone. Her route requires us to measure and sketch angles in whole number degrees using a protractor. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. Let's start at the trailhead. Frost needs to climb this first slope, and we need to measure the acute angle between these two intersecting ridge paths. This stone protractor arc diagram shows us how. Center the protractor exactly on the vertex where the paths meet, and align one ray with the 0 line. Following the scale up from 0, the upper path crosses exactly at 60. The angle measures 60 degrees. Following this mechanical process reveals the exact turn of the physical path. Moving higher, Frost reaches an overlook corner. Here, the paths open up into a wide, obtuse angle. Again, we center and align the protractor on the vertex of the overlook. Protractors have two sets of numbers, so always use the scale that starts at 0 on your aligned ray. The second ray passes 90 and crosses at 115. The angle measures 115 degrees.
Read the scale that starts at 0.
Tracing outward from 0 ensures an accurate reading of this wider space. The light shifts as Frost approaches the sketching shelf. This time, there is no second path to measure. We have to sketch an angle of 45 degrees to create one. The first step is to draw a base ray to the 0 mark. Next, trace up from 0 and mark the arc exactly at 45. Finally, join the vertex to the mark with a second ray. The sketched angle measures 45 degrees. We reverse the measurement process to construct the exact path she needs. Frost arrives at the summit cornice. We need to answer one final question. Is the cornice corner a right angle? On this diagram, we center the protractor on the corner to check its shape. The second ray lines up exactly with 90. Angles of 90 degrees are right angles. The corner is a right angle of 90 degrees. Hitting this precise number confirms a square geometric truth in the landscape. Looking back down Protractor Ridge, the entire solved route is visible as one continuous landscape. Every angle we measured exists as a physical part of these ridges. The labels identify these fixed quantities. Frost's movement demonstrates how the paths change, and math notation records those exact measurements. Which label in the environment tells you
A square corner measures 90.